What's up guys, Derek Johnson here, and I'm going to show you how you can buy a Firestick for 25 bucks this Christmas and save someone $18,000 over the next 10 years. If you get some value out of this video, go ahead and smash the like button. Drop me a comment, let me know who you bought a Firestick for, and I'm sure they're going to have a happy Christmas after this. Plus, you're going to get bonus points if you shoot them this video and tell them that you just gave them over $100,000. So they're going to appreciate that. If you get any value out of this, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell if you want to see future content just like this. That being said, let's hop into the video. For the most part, cable's at least $100 a month, and that's outrageously overpriced with all of the streaming services and different stuff you can bundle these days, like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, Sling TV, all these kinds of services. And with a Fire Stick, you can even get a lot of stuff for free. So basically, you're throwing $100 a month away. And I want to show you how you can actually get that $100 a month back in your pocket and turn it into $18,000. So if that sounds good, let's keep watching. So how this calculator works is this is the present value. So since we're starting from scratch, we're going to leave this blank. But this payment field here, that's basically the amount per period that we're using. So we're going to use it as a yearly amount. So we're going to take 100 times it by 12, and that's going to get you $1,200. So you can see here, periods, that's the period of time we're using, and we're compounding this annually. And rate, that's the rate of return. So at 9%, which an index fund can get you pretty easily, you just invest and leave it, and it's going to passively earn you that amount over time. That $100 a month you're spending on cable in 10 years could have been $18,000. So if you're thinking you're getting a good deal on cable, buy those temporary promos they give you, and then they raise your bill up to even more, to like $140 a month. I don't know how these people are still surviving. To me, cable should have been dead. And I think just because they've been gouging people for so long, they're eventually going to shift to streaming as well. A lot of them already have started to do that. But if you want to get real crazy with this, I want to show you what that could turn into over 30 years. So if you're in your 20s or 30s and you're wasting $100 a month, I want to show you what that can do to your wealth over a 30-year period. That's just $100 a month. So an extra $100 a month could have turned into $160,000. So that's the kind of stuff you got to think about when you look at your income and your expenses. And you look at that expense column, you need to ask yourself, is this worth $160,000 to me? So people will have all these financial decisions, micro decisions that they make. And I want you to look at the big picture. So this is just one example. There's so many other ones that I'm be teaching people inside the Money Makeover Challenge. And if you're inside the challenge, you're going to be helping me create this kind of stuff, and it's going to be a fun time. So if you have cable, I strongly recommend asking for a Fire Stick for Christmas or buying one for someone. If you're already free of cable, if you cut the cord, give someone else the gift of streaming and freedom from these big cable bills. So get that $18,000 back, get that $160,000 if you invest it in index funds. That's all I got for today. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.